My name's Thomas Peters. I'm a greenkeeper here at Royal Portrush, and I've been here for 5 years now. Royal Portrush is one of the most prestigious clubs in Ireland. We're hosting the Open Championship next year, and it's just a special place to be. In our greenkeeper sheds, we have one of the big cyber tanks that can charge all our batteries, and then also we have a small cyber tank light for if we need to go out on the golf course and we can take all the batteries with us. We've got 2 of the Kress Robotic Mowers. We've got a rotary deck mower. We've got blowers, strimmers, edgers, handheld blowers. We're pretty well kitted out with all the Kress stuff. The team's initial reactions were they were mind-blowing. They tried it out, and the power, and then with having a cyber tank with it as well, you can always constantly keep the charge going, so you're not waiting, you're always constantly moving forward. Kress tools, they perform brilliantly. The finish, the quality is unbeatable. The team love the way everything works. Very little hassle, very little maintenance. The batteries are superb. Nothing comes close. If we come in for a 10-minute break, we can throw our batteries on charge and they're all fully recharged, ready to go back out again after only 10-minute break, and everyone's fully charged, ready to go. With the RTK technology, we've been able to cover bigger lands, cover our grass nurseries without having to put boundary wires. And then we have the freedom to move the machine wherever we want. You've got no antennas. We've been able to take it around the side of dunes, down into hollows, and it can work away free and never get stuck, never have an issue with it. Sustainability is a big thing here at Royal Portrush. We've got a goal of 2030 to try and turn everything to green. So this has been the best transition into it. Kress have been a great support. They've backed us up the whole way and give us everything we need to do it. But I love the Kress stuff. If I'm going to do any job and it's a Kress job, I'm the first boy to get the tool. Kress allows us to maximise our efficiency. It also looks after the health of myself and our team members, and it looks after the environment as well.